Okay, so you might have heard a lot of videographers say that bad music and bad tempo can literally make or break your video. And that is why in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the right music with the right pacing to level up your video quality. And all of this in Filmora. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you can go to audio and then you go down here to music. And it will give you thousands of stuff you can choose from cinematic, coffee, vlog, beats, hip-hop, intro, children, rock, funny, sad. There is a bunch of different stuff you can choose from. So for this one, for example, I think this is more of a cinematic clip, and I simply go here and search for the perfect song and drag and drop that into my timeline. And that is actually a pretty cool song. Now let's say, for example, you want to have cuts on the exact same places in the song. So let's make, for example, you want to create an edit with a very fast song. So one thing that I do that is very helpful is markers. Now let's just press on nothing here and then simply press M to put this little marker on your timeline. Now what this allows you to do is, if there is like certain beats in the song that you want to have cut on that beat, simply listen to the song and then just press M on your keyboard where that beat is going to be. And this gives you a good idea of, okay, the marker is there, so I just simply trim my clip all the way back to there. That's probably one of my favorite features, and I use it a lot in like fast cuts and edits, especially if the music is moving very fast and I want the clips exactly to cut on the beat. Now another thing you can do is also AI music. Now here you can simply give it whatever you would want and AI would create a song for you. I mean, the song you're listening to right now behind this video, that was created with AI, which is pretty cool. Okay, so there you have it. That was a very brief introduction of how to use the right audio in your videos. Because as I said, a bad song can make or break your video. If you want any further advice, go check out my channel. It is full of Filmora tutorials. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.